Hello, I'm Lance Groom, formerly from the TV show Making Money, and I'm the guy that made over $1 million in sales in newspapers, magazines, and tabloids, and I'm back out there making sales again, only this time I found an amazing new traffic source to help generate leads and sales for your business. What we're talking about is a new product called Hybridz, and it's nothing like anything you've ever seen before. In fact, I was blown away when I met this gentleman. He's literally an internet ghost. He shows up on the Warrior Plus, cranking out sales left and right, $900 here, $1,000 here, day in and day out. And I met him and had an opportunity to discuss how he was getting his traffic, how he was making his sales on Warrior Plus and different places, and I asked him to be a part of this launch so I can show you exactly what he's doing. In just a minute, you're going to meet the founder and creator of Hybridz.
Hi JVs, Ugono here. I'm the guy Glance is talking about, okay? I created the Hybridz system, okay? Hybrid was born out of the need for your customers to gain traffic. As we know in this industry, most of our subscribers are looking for traffic. So Hybridz goes into the traffic bank for what I call micro marvins to be able to get high quality traffic to any offer that they send it to, okay? I show them inside it. I'm using Hybridz system myself and it's making me a lot of money, okay? So all I want you to do, if you're interested in this, click on the link and sign up and get your link. It's going to be a jamboree, okay? It's going to be a sales jamboree. The sales page is top notch. Everything, look at the JV page, well designed and stuff like that. It has all the nitty gritty for conversion, okay? So I'm going to send you now to my partner, Set Free, so that he will talk about the JV prices and any of the other stuff you might need. Over to you, Set Free.
What's up, JVs and affiliates? Set Free here, and on behalf of my partners, Lance and Ugona, we would like to invite you on our upcoming launch this coming March 29th at 9 a.m. EST called Hybridz. Well, this is a 4-day launch with over $1,000 in cash prizes, and we're giving 100% commission on FE and 50% commission on the OTOs. Also, you can possibly earn up to $558 per customer throughout the funnel. So we're hoping you can join us and support us on this one, and we will be very happy to return the favor on your next launch. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for checking out this video. See you on March 29th. Cheers.